Friends, today we are going to sketch this isometric view in Solidworks. I hope you enjoy. We are going to sketch by starting with this dimension is 40, this 40 length, and this 20 extruded up to 10. So let's see. File on new, file new part, choose OK. Top plane, sketch, choose line. Start from origin. Okay. Okay, you see, this is okay. Sign dimension, this is 20, this is 40 millimeter, this is 40 millimeter, and this is 20 millimeter. Okay, fully defined. So extrude up to 10. Okay, you see, then insert this one, 20 20 extrude up to 20 20 20 extrude up to 20. See, let's see. Select this face, normal, choose corner rectangle, start from this one, okay, assign dimension 20, okay, give 20, okay, predefined isometric, extrude it up to 20. You see, this extrude both base up to 20, features extrude up to 20. Okay, so you see, friends, this is how to design simple exercises in Solidworks. I hope you have enjoyed the video. See about white plane, and then choose color you want. Say okay, friends, this is how to create simple exercises in Solidworks. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos.